lovelies, and welcome back. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. And in today's video is going to be the green Makartt kit. Yes, I finally got my hands on it. Sorry, my voice went then. Just like the Makartt jelly set that I got the green kit on sale at the end of summer sale on AliExpress. I will link everything down below. And remember that AliExpress always has these sales on, so you guys have just got to wait and all that good stuff. So this was requested by Cavian again. Thank you so much. You are literally giving me all these ideas, but I was planning to do this set anyway. But still, thank you so much for requesting this. So, as usual, Makartt has done a lot of, well, they've done 3 other colour-themed kits already. So this is basically the same as the blue, pink and purple. You get jewel forms and instructions in the bottom underneath the white. I do love, though, this set. The box has got beautiful detailed leaves, and it just, those tiny little things really do stand out to me personally, in my opinion. And this kit is stunning. Look at it. It's a beautiful green colour as well. The only thing is they should have probably done something about the writing on everything, because it's so white and the green is so pale that you can just about see the writing. So anyway, this kit does come with a 100 and 180 grit file, your spear javelin tool, some slip solution, which is also nail surface cleaner, so if you don't have rubbing alcohol, you can use that. You can also dehydrate your nails with that, by the way. A top and a base coat. It also comes with a clay. All the bottles of polygel do come sealed. There's 4 colours in total. One is clear. Then you have this lovely, very mute toned pea green, I guess. I don't know these do have names, by the way, but I can't think off the top of my head right now. Then you get this really bright, it's not really bright, but it's a lot brighter of a darker not mint green, pea green, and then you get this beautiful aqua blue green. So there's 4 polygels in total, and they are 15 grams each. I won't be using the clear from this kit though, just because I already have a Makartt clear polygel open, so I didn't think of opening it and wasting it. So I will be using full cover tips, and I will be securing them on the way I usually do with the the jelly tip method. I will also be using some iridescent glitter and some butterflies that I got off of Amazon. The iridescent glitter actually come in the pink Makartt polygel kit. So I will be securing these onto my nails like I do every other time I've done this. So basically just putting a bit of base coat there into the well, and then sticking it onto my nail. Applying pressure and then curing in the nail lamp. This method really does work, and it does last a very long time, guys. I would highly recommend it. And this is the cheap way as well. I just use plastic tips from Amazon. I don't even spend like £100 and something on these expensive brands. I just use with what I've got. So yeah. So just to all the nails, I only show you, I think it's 2, and then I go over the nails then and buff out the shine. Of course, before you do this, always prep your natural nail. I didn't, again, you guys know, but I will link a video in the cards of me prepping my nails so you can understand better on how to prep your nails. But yeah, this is pretty simple. Like I always, if you buff out the shine, then product will adhere better because it doesn't like to stick on a shiny surface. Then I go in with some base coat and I cure for 60 seconds. I did almost go in with the polygel, and then I was like, oh no, base coat. You'll see now because I stop. Like, oh no, base coat. Yeah, there we go. So I do a marble on my thumb and pinky finger, and they tend, the colours, they just go so well together, and they are really nice colours. They are a really nice polygel as well. I love Makartt products, you guys know that, and I think I've done nearly all their kits. I do have another one of their kits that I have had for a while. I just haven't gotten around to using it yet because I've been doing other videos, but I do plan on using it very soon. So I do 2 negative space nails on the middle finger and the ring finger, and then I do like an ombre to clear nail and put butterflies in the tip on my index finger. I use all of the colours. I marble the two, like I said, on the thumb and pinky, and then I use all three colours on individual nails. So they're all being used. I know a lot of people done jade sort of nails, but I thought because everyone's doing jade nails, I just didn't want to do jade nails as well, you know. I thought I'll do something different. So but this kit would be brilliant for jade nails. I just didn't want to copy everyone, you know, and I know that a lot of people have already done it. Femi Beauty done an absolutely stunning set. So did Long Hair Pretty Nails, and Stay Polished done a stunning set. They all done like, they were all different, but they were all like sort of similar with the idea, but they were all individually different. I really loved, though, I've got to say, Emily Susanna's nail design of this. She done Alien and it was absolutely brilliant. I would highly recommend going and checking those girls out and their videos on this kit, guys. It was really, really fun to watch. So anyway, I do my normal polygel application, patting it all in with that surface cleaner. I then press some glitter into the wet polygel, and then I cure. The glitter that I put on my middle finger and ring finger, I put that into the wet base coat before curing, by the way, in case you guys were wondering. I then do clear cap all of the like detailed nails with like the butterflies, the glitters and stuff like that. I clear cap so that obviously I didn't file it off when it comes to filing. These nails did turn out a bit thick, not gonna lie, but I was really happy with them. I wish I'd done marble and just all of the nails with some glitter, because it was really fun to do. But anyway, guys, I'm going to leave it here, and I'm going to let you watch and stuff. I don't think there's much else to say apart from this kit is absolutely amazing, and it's a really, really nice. This should have come out in spring. It still works in summer. Not like, you know, it works any time of year. I think you do whatever nails you want any time of year. That is my personal opinion. But that bluish green is just, the aqua is beautiful. I don't know why I sang that. But yeah, these colours are great, and this kit is great. And I really hope that Makartt come out with like every theme, you know. I've got a feeling they're going to come out with orange or yellow next. But do you know what I'd really love is if they'd come out with a glitter kit, or like a themed glitter kit, or like with different coloured glitters, but like do the theme with it. Does that make sense? I hope it does. Or even better, if they started putting glitters into these kits, these themed kits, along with like do like a jelly colour, a glitter, and then like a green or whatever, but make sure that they like an opaque colour, but make sure they're all like the same colour. I hope that makes sense. That's what I would love to see from Makartt, because yeah, to be fair though, they're brilliant. They really do accommodate their viewers and their what are we called? Their clientele, their customers, you know. I couldn't think of the word. Anyway, guys, I'm going to leave it here. I do mind, I'm not going to talk anymore. I'm going to let you guys watch the application and put some music on. I do wipe the sticky tacky layer off, of course, before filing, and then I just shape as normal, and I go in with a top coat and some cuticle oil. But yeah, it's pretty simple and fun set to do. I really did enjoy it. But yeah, let me know your thoughts down below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. As I always say, you don't have to by all means, but I will appreciate it. And for everyone that has already subscribed, thank you so much for the support, guys. You really mean a lot to me and amaze me every single day. You're all so kind and positive in the comments. It's absolutely amazing. But anyway, guys, stay safe, keep on smiling, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye, guys.
I begin to